Hey everyone, it's Andrew Nagel, and I was asked to talk about how I take photos of my pieces. So here I am out in the park because it was just too bright for me to get anything good at my house. When I'm looking for good spaces to photograph my pendants, I'm looking for generally shaded areas, such as this bridge. This is one of my favorite spots in my neighborhood to come take photos. As you can see, it's got some really interesting dark wood that creates a nice contrast with the gemstones. Again, this is a shaded area. It's a very, very bright day, so the light is bright, but it's dispersed because of the shade of the trees. Here are some of the photos that I took of this area. One of the photos that I really liked in particular was this one, which I used for the pendant release. And so again, this was just taken outside, no light box or anything like that. There is some slight editing. Yeah, then there was also this area on this stump. As you can see, it is again shaded and out of the bright, harsh sunlight. Bright light is great for certain types of displays, but it's not the best to display all of your gemstones. To recap, for the natural areas, you want dispersed bright light. Natural scenes are always a plus. And make sure to get out and find spaces in your parks or neighborhoods. There's even this wonderful spot by a bank that I live next to that has some great plants and stuff outside, and I've gotten some amazing photos there. This was taken outside just on a regular chain and on one of my black bust displays for vending. I just took it outside in the sunlight and just snapped a quick photo. It turned out amazing. This was recorded on my phone inside of just a generic light box that I got from Amazon. I'm working on upgrading my light box setup. You know, there's some better ones out there that I'll mention at the end of the video. They're just a bit more expensive. So this was like a $50 light box, I think. I'm also utilizing a light ring that allows for white light, because the white light is better than the yellow light, because there's like yellow LEDs and there's white LEDs. You want more of a white light to display your gemstones. And yeah, use a natural display like a crystal or something like that. Displaying the pendants with their chains is always a plus. So for your light boxes, check out Gem Lightbox. If you have the funds, go ahead and get it. I highly recommend it. Amazon has plenty of selections, and then I've also seen people just build a generic light box setup with LED lights and sheets. They've just built kind of walls that have, you know, space for the sheets to hang over, and then they just put lights behind those and just basically build a light box setup. So get creative, and again, look outside for some natural selections, or, you know, if you're unable to go outside, you can use a light box or basically even build your own light box to take some quality photos inside of your apartment or studio. Thank you so much. I hope this helped, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments.